Purchasing a geyser is a common household decision, especially in metropolitan areas where it has become a necessary home appliance. However, before diving into the world of geyser shopping, it's crucial to be well informed. In this video, we'll explore 5 essential considerations to make before buying a geyser. Types of geysers. Understanding the two main types of geysers is paramount. Storage geysers heat and store water, while instant geysers provide hot water on demand. Consider your household needs and electricity consumption when deciding between the two. For larger families, storage geysers might be more suitable despite their slightly higher electricity consumption. Geyser size matters. The size of the geyser should align with your household size. Instant geysers work well for kitchens, while a 15-liter storage geyser is ideal for smaller families. Larger families with more than 4 members should opt for a 35-liter geyser to ensure an ample supply of hot water. Design considerations. When purchasing a geyser, don't overlook the design. If space is limited, cylindrical or square-shaped geysers might be a better fit. Ensure that the design complements your available space and doesn't compromise functionality. Star rating for efficiency. Don't underestimate the importance of energy efficiency. Look for geysers with a minimum 4-star rating to ensure energy savings. A higher star rating guarantees not only reduced electricity bills but also a longer lifespan for the appliance. Safety features and brand value. Safety should be a top priority when buying any electronic product. Check for safety features such as safety valves, auto cutoff, and fail-safe mechanisms. Stick to reputable and trustworthy brands to ensure the geyser's reliability and longevity.